All right, this particular training, we are going to take it step by step. Basic technical design, installation, and maintenance training on solar and inverter system. And that is why we want to look at it this steps by step. It's a series. We want to cue in so that you can be able to install solar system. Follow us. Sometimes we'll come up live, sometimes we'll drop the video of the training. In any way, as you follow us, you will get the details. These are the things we are going to consider at the course of this training. Number one, solar panel. We are going to discuss solar panels in details, how you can design it. After you've gotten your load, how you can design it that it will give you what you want. We are going to look at it. It's very, very interesting. Now, how to design the inverter system. Do you need 5 kVA? Do you need 2 kVA? Do you need 3.5 kVA? Do you need 7.5 kVA? Is it 10 kVA you need? Any size of inverter you want. And the charge controller as well. And how to design the size of the charge controller you need. And the solar batteries. We'll discuss about the battery as well. Number 5, control box. The control hub of the solar power, both the input and the output, the protective devices of your solar system is what we are going to discuss on this control box. Then number 6 is the mounting hardware. Number 7 is the cable. Number 8 is the racking. Then number 9, we are looking at the tools needed for this solar installation. Follow us from number 1 to the end. You get the details of this training.